You've been in the bathroom for like 20 minutes.
Okay, let's go.
What are you doing? Pooping?
Yes.
I thought girls don't poop. Ah. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is I, Trigger Media, one and only. Well, there's like 5 of us on YouTube, but I'm the best one. Best Trigger Media right here. Anyways, today we're gonna go on an adventure. We're gonna try to find a new spot to do a photo shoot at. There's all the spots that I've shot at. I've pretty much beat them to death already. I need to find something fresh, something new. So you're gonna come with me and we're gonna find a spot together. Let's see, what's up, Euclid? Just turns into like a ball sack. Wow. What is that? It's just a dead end. It's a dirt road that goes to nowhere. How is this even a street? It's all dirt. Is it the sewer? It looks like a sewer. What the hell? It just disappears. Guys, so I think I found something. Pudding Stone Reservoir. What is this, like a lake or something? Oh, check this out. So we just gotta find this road to go into here, go into here, and then to go into there. That looks close enough to the water. No idea how to get in. Via Verde. Oh look, check it out. 22. What? Oh, 57. And then you just go some toge action, you know? Drift this corner right here, and then just follow this road, and then we'll somehow end up over here. Let's see, Puddington Reservoir, right? San Dimas? Puddingstone? Puddington? Whatever. Where is it? 27-minute drive. Directions end at closest road to destination.
Starting route to Puddingstone Reservoir.
Okay.
Head north on north. Then
Okay,
turn left onto
okay. Alright, but let me go back to the map. This way, this way, this way. Where was that spot I was looking at earlier on the computer? Satellite. Oh, landed right on it. Wait, I don't think that's the one. Hold on. Was that the same spot? Oh yeah, it was. So, and then follow the road. Going too far. Crap. Totally lost it. Oh, right here. So follow the road. Drop a pin right here. Hopefully it's gonna look good.
Starting route to Frank G. Bonelli Regional Park.
Such a beautiful day. Look at all these clouds. Can't wait for the sunset. Shoot in my car or your car today? Alrighty. Hurry up. Don't go on E85. You fill up literally like every 2 days. I don't care what people say talking about, oh, E85's cheaper. Bro, that shit burns so much faster. Because I'm broke, so I'm only trying to put like 10 bucks in it. Oh crap. Let's see, what do I feel like drinking today?
Sounds cute.
These are bomb. I need energy to shoot.
You want snacks?
No thanks.
I want gummies.
Thanks. Alright guys, so we just got to the spot. Looks pretty nice out there. Got the water, but it's like really bright and I'm not really too sure where I can park my car. But we'll figure it out. Alright, so we found another spot. Kind of looks like in the middle of nowhere. And there's like a gate up there, so there's no cars that's gonna be coming down. So I'm trying to shoot right here. It's like really bright though. But hopefully it comes out good. Right?
Yep.
That's right. All right, so that spot was like way too bright, way too hot. My car was just getting washed out and all that stuff. We found another spot. We kept driving down. It's nice and shady over here. Let me show you. So we're under the shade of all these trees, right in the middle of the road. Sure, there's no cars gonna be coming down that way because there's a gate, it says dead end, all that stuff. Over here, it's all open. But see how this shoot comes out right here. Was it worth it to find this spot? Not really. Had to drive far. It was really hot. It's not that great. I probably could have just went to like the canyons or something and got some cool shots. Or another spot I know of that's pretty similar to this, but the whole road is like bushy and stuff like that. But I mean, we drove down here, so I really wanted to get that lake though. But I'm gonna just keep looking. Google Maps, iPhone Maps. If you guys know any spots, man, let me know. Drop a comment. In SoCal, IE area, LA area, OC area, just wherever. Just trying to find new spots to shoot my car, shoot your car. Hit me up, Trigger X Media. I don't know what I'm saying.